Hi. So I just received my post bag from Shopee that I ordered 1 week ago. This package is sent from China, and this should be a multimeter. So and then I covered my address details here because I don't think it's relevant to this unboxing video. I haven't checked anything yet, so let's open it up. Well packaged. Okay, wrapped with bubble wrap. Yep, this should be UNI-T UT71D, and it is UT71, but I don't know. Oh yeah, so this is UT71D. It's the correct model, and let's open up the package. So yeah, as expected, it got a what is bag, small bag. The multimeter itself, the I don't know, software CD, some guides, I don't know, and the temperature probe, the alligator clip, the PC connection cable, and the test leads. So yeah, everything is, nothing is missed. And then we should check the multimeter itself. So kind of heavy, but yes, very nice to grip. It has a very nice grip. Yep. So I don't know if it already has battery inside of it. Yeah, I think we have to open up the battery compartment here. So yep, ta-da. I don't have a 9-volt battery, or I can take one from my Sanwa. Oh, I forget that Sanwa has a AA battery, not 9-volt battery. Yeah. Oh yes, I do have another multimeter. Oh, very ugly multimeter, but I believe this has 9-volt battery. So yeah. Okay, so this should be fine. Oh yeah, too short. This is too short from. I literally cannot pull my back, but yeah, that's okay. Seems good. It bothers me. Let's see if I can. Oh, maybe if I. Oh, right. Oh my god. Oops, wrong. But I can't easily, you know. So yeah, this is good, and then maybe I should make a video to review this multimeter. So yeah, that's it's a good multimeter, perfect condition. I think pretty much it. Thank you.